Ching-A-Ling. Do it now, whatever you must do. Ha! Ha! You're gonna hold here. Pump it. Let's get it. Getting paid over here. You want to really shake your butt there. Hey! Hey! Now, take it up. Shake it down. Up. Ow! 4 times right here. 3, 2, up. Hey, 1 time each. Lift. Hey. Do that again. Yeah. Yeah. You got it. Hit. Get it. We go over and over. Don't get frustrated. Keep it moving. Yeah. Ho! Own it. Own it. Yeah. Getting paid over here. Shake it. Then throw it. Take it up. Oh. Where's your money maker? Now you step up.
Big things pop.
Bring it up.
If you talk a lot and your mouth gets
oh. Now take it back. Whoop, whoop. Ha. Bring it up. Now you shake it back. Hey. Whoop. Shake it back. Ching, ching. Here we go. Throw it.
Thursday, baby, bring it over here. Thursday, baby,
do my money maker.
See my money maker.
Four. Yes. 2 pulls. Single. Maybe add that little head swirling. Once you get it, then you get it. Yes. Yes. Pull. Lift it. Own it. Ching ching right here. Can you get your booty to move? Yeah, shake it. Hit it. Hey. Do my money maker. This is serious. Get it. What you know about that? What you know about that? Now we're gonna slow it down.